Hi guys, we're back and we are gonna finish making this.
So what what happened? What if they haven't seen the video before? What do you say you did?
Okay, so we made some bread thingies. They're like in this cupcake pan.
There you go.
And we are now making the filling.
What's in the bowl?
We have some scallions and
What is it?
We put some parsley in there.
Okay.
And we put some thyme, organic thyme. And we put some Lorry seasoning salt.
Okay.
And black pepper.
Okay. And how many eggs did you use?
3.
Alright. And like, what, I'd say a 1/4 cup of scallion. Okay, now what are you supposed to do?
Now I'm gonna mix it.
Whisk. Make sure you get it nice. No, in a circle fire. Let me show you. Yeah. Like that.
That's what I was trying to do.
Until you can't see any more white stuff.
That good?
I think that's about good. Is the computer on? Tap the space bar. Alright, let me get the pan. Here, you hold it. Yeah.
And this is what the finishing thing looks like. My mama's bringing the pan. Mama's mixing it up just to make sure all the stuff is gone.
Oh, and you put milk, you put soy milk in there.
I put soy milk in there.
No, not soy milk. Put almond milk, unsweetened almond milk in there.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And now I'm gonna pour it in.
Not that way. Here, hold it. And you can... No, Vi, no. Just hold the phone. Talk to the people. Yeah,
okay. So, have you watched our videos? Please subscribe and comment down below what you would do if you have subscribe, like, and hit the bell. And if you would recommend doing this with your family, well, you can ask your parents.
You can show them what the book is.
And
Hold on, don't turn it around.
And so that's what we're gonna do. And the book is called
Hold it up.
Kids in the Kitchen.
Yeah, there we go.
That's what the book is called. I got this. If you haven't watched it, I got this from my school.